Hey, Team Cup Runneth Over. How is it going today? So I have been wanting to jump on and kind of get on my soapbox a little bit and just talk with you guys about this lifestyle. Okay, it's called a starter kit for a reason, you guys. The starter kit is amazing and it is a great place to start. But you guys, it's not the end all kit. The starter kit is a way to get you started in natural health, get you started using something natural and having alternative remedies to things that are toxin filled. But I want to talk about, what is your health worth to you? I do understand that the Young Living products are a value and they are a cost, and that starting to change your lifestyle can be expensive. It is what are you willing to invest and where do you want to end up? And this is the thing that gets me all the time, because I have people and I know people in my life that are older and they're in not good health. And if you try and talk to them about, about their health, they say it's priceless, like that they wish that they could go backwards and make different decisions. And a lot of times people are in bad health and they just keep on going the route that the doctor is taking them. And I'm not against doctors, but sometimes lifestyle changes need to happen. And if you're younger, starting now and working that way for your family is going to be priceless, okay, than trying to be going from a place of ill health and trying to work backwards. And let me tell you, I've been doing this lifestyle change for 4 years. And when I started, and I still have a couple family members that laugh at me and they say it's snake oils and all this stuff. But you know what? In those 4 years of me making these healthy changes and continuing in a direction of toxin-free living, I am not on any medications, and I was when I started. I sleep great. I don't have anxiety. I have more energy. I'm getting more accomplished. I'm not, the pinnacle of health. So don't think that I'm saying that, but I am moving in a direction that is going to lead me to a healthier end of my life. And even if I have cut out all the toxic chemicals in my home and my makeup and my hair care and my face care and all those things and all those amazing changes that I've made, if for some reason I'm that statistic that's, like the 0.99% and I end up with cancer, God forbid, or something like that, you know what? I'm going to look at my life and I'm going to go, I made choices that shouldn't have led me here, and I can look back with peace and know that this is God's plan, instead of looking back and going, man, I wonder if I would have changed what I was cleaning with. I wonder if I would have changed what I was putting on my face every day. I won't have those questions because I've gotten rid of that stuff. So if it happens that something, my health does go bad in the when I'm older or whatever, I feel like I will at least know that I did everything in my power to help my family and myself be as healthy as possible. And you guys, so I want you to think about, what is your health worth to you? And if you're not already aware of what toxins can do that are in products like your cleaners, like your makeup, like your hair care, like your skin care. If you're not aware of that, like, you probably should do some research and find out, because those are things you're putting on your body every single day. I love the book, The Compound Effect. If you have not read it, it is amazing, but it just is really, it's amazing, simple, and profound, because it's about the choices that we make every day and how those long-term, add up in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years to where you end up in life. And, a lot of times people want this miracle thing that they're just going to do one time and all of a sudden their life has changed. That's not how life works. Every decision we make, each moment, every day, is either leading us towards, a better, healthier life future or ill health. And I feel like the more people I come in contact to and the more people that I see, it seems like their health deteriorates. And it's like today is the day to draw the line in the sand and start moving towards a healthier lifestyle, to start ditching things that are toxin filled out of your life, to start making healthier eating choices, eating more raw foods, organic foods, like those kind of things. And I know, I understand that lifestyle is not, it's not super, it's cheaper to go the toxic route. It's cheaper to go the non-organic route, or to not eat fresh foods, or those kind of things. But you guys, in the long run, when you're 60, 70, 80, what do you think is going to be important to you? Being able to get up and move around and have a healthy lifestyle. Like when you finally retire, will you be able to enjoy the things that you've been dreaming of enjoying when you retire? Or are you going to be having to take tons of medications, and not be able to be active and things like that? And don't get me wrong, sometimes that just happens. Sometimes people just have health issues, and I understand that. But I'm saying, wouldn't you rather, if you get to that point, know that you really made every effort possible to defend and protect yourself, your kids, your family? So I wanted to talk about that because, this starter kit, it's a starter kit. But my goal is to help each and every one of you to actually move towards wellness, move towards better health and wellness. And when we're talking about natural things, they take time. And like I said, in the 4 years that I've been doing this, my health is dramatically improved. But it wasn't within the first, I had changes that were positive. I'm not saying I didn't in the first week, in the first month, or whatever of the kit. But it was in deciding and committing to moving towards a natural, healthy, toxin-free lifestyle that has made my health continue to improve, and to make my choices move in that direction as well too. So I know we are all, your leaders, we're always trying to help people to to do the essential rewards program, to start to think about the things that you put on your body every day. Makeup is an amazing place to start as a woman. And you guys, you have to be good label readers. You have to really research, because I have a few friends right now that are selling a certain makeup, and they keep saying, oh, it's natural. Oh, it's botanical. You guys, you have to research it, because when you do, you find out that lots of these companies that say these things, they're not all natural. They just have some botanical ingredients, some natural ingredients. But when you look into it, then you find that where it says, well, we are 85% natural and blah, blah, blah. And then they have bismuth and talc and sodium lauryl sulfates and all those harmful chemicals that we're trying to get rid of. So you really can't just buy into when something's labeled natural or botanical, because that usually just means they've thrown that in there because they know that it's kind of like a hot topic, and that it attracts people who are really trying to make healthy decisions. The thing I love about Young Living is they really are like, that is their mission, is toxin-free products. So I've grown to feel like I can completely trust that when I buy their makeup, it really is free of those things that are harmful. When I buy their cleaner, it really is free of all those harmful toxins. I can really feel like my son could help me clean. He never wants to, but I wish he would. And I can feel good about it. So, we try to help you to do the Essential Rewards program, which is the monthly auto ship, so that you can slowly, I know you can't do it all at once, but slowly start to take your health seriously. Start to take your family's health seriously. And things like toothpaste, things like your hand soap, things like your cleaners, things like your makeup, things like your lotion. Think about what you use every day, your deodorant, things like that. And just start to switch them out slowly. And then while you're doing the essential rewards, you're earning free products, which makes it even more affordable. So I just really want to encourage you guys that today is the day. Today is the day to start to move towards your health and wellness. If you've gotten your starter kit, awesome, but that should just be a start. This is a lifestyle, and I want to see more people set free in their health. I love hearing people after they've been on the Essential Rewards program for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year, telling me things like, I'm not living on antibiotics anymore. I'm not XYZ. I'm not, and it's amazing, myself just knowing I sleep amazing every night. My family has a history of insomnia. Like, how cool is that? And those family members that make fun of me, like, hey, they might still be dealing with those issues. And I'm glad that I just decided to stick it out, see it through, and continue on the path that I'm on, because I can see amazing differences. So, yeah, I just really want you all to have freedom and all in, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, 20 years to look back and think, I'm so glad I made those changes. I'm so glad for my family that we've had these legacy health changes in our home, and that we're becoming more aware, and that we're becoming more awesome label readers. So if you, like I said, sometimes, you think you're doing something healthy. I know I used to buy Myers, and I used to buy the Method stuff at Target, and I thought like, oh, it's kind of natural. It says it's natural. It was in the natural section, and I thought I was doing good. And you know what? If you get the free app, Think Dirty, download it and start scanning the things in your home, you're going to see that a lot of those things that are supposed to be natural just really aren't that great. And you're spending money there. So why not just reallocate it over to Essential Rewards and start getting products that really are free of toxins, that really are amazing, that really are going to move you in a direction that your health and wellness is going to improve, and you're going to look back at your life and be grateful, because health is priceless. It's something you can't put a price on, and people who don't have it will tell you that. And it's much harder to move backwards when you're not feeling well than to start making good choices when you're still feeling kind of okay. But either way, it's better to just move in that direction, because if you don't do anything, you're going to keep going in the direction you're in. And trust me, because I've seen it, people just continue to get worse and more symptoms are added. And I don't want to see that for you guys. I just love you all, and I really want to see all of us have freedom in the areas that we need it. So I just wanted to share that with you and give you some stuff to think about. Let me know your thoughts and what area you're working on. I know you can't do it all at once. I can't do it all at once. I'm still working on so many areas of my health and wellness, but making those choices is awesome. So, all right, guys, bye.